Hello there and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I fix my Zafira 1.6 engine that won't start. Mine somehow suffered from an electrical shock when I disconnected the wires on my switches when I did some vinyl wrapping. I also have a separate video about vinyl wrapping my center trim panels if you wanna check that out. Anyway, the first thing that came into my mind is to check the battery. So I checked the battery and it doesn't look like a battery issue. I don't see any problem with my battery. Interior lights, dash lights, headlights and indicators are all working. The only problem I'm having is that the engine is dead and I couldn't start the car. Let me start the car. And as you can see, nothing is happening. The next thing that came into my mind is to check my fuses. I might have blown out some fuses when I disconnected my switches wires. So I did check the fuses in the boot and all were perfect. I opened my hood, then my fuse box cover to reveal the other fuses. And to keep this video short, as I spent a lot of time diagnosing it myself, I found the third one from the top, the 7.5 ampere fuse, was the culprit. If you don't have a spare working 7.5 ampere fuse in hand, you can temporarily make it work with a little bit of DIY as you can see here. Trust me, this will work. Mine was like this for a week before my replacement arrives in my post box. So here is the blown out 7.5 ampere fuse and here is my replacement. Let me put the new one and we will see what's going to happen next. Will it start my car or not? There's only one way to find out. There you have it. It worked. Your case might be different from mine, but at least you have something to start with in trying to find out how to solve this kind of case yourself. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you can see that red subscribe button, that means you're not subscribed to Allscan 12 channel yet. It would mean a lot to me if you could hit that subscribe button. Thanks in advance and have a great day. Cheers!